What's going on? Today we're going to get the Challenger tinted. Finally. I've been wanting to do this for a while, so we got to go do that today. But first, we need to go to the car wash. It's dirty. So, I'll see you there. If they let me film. If they don't let me film, I'll see y'all back in the car. Okay, we're on our way back from the tint shop. They did a good job. It is way better, as you can, I don't know if you can tell in the video, but it's way darker in here, way nicer. It's like a brand new vehicle. If you're not getting your windows tinted 5%, you're doing it wrong. And if you live in the metro area of OKC, here in Oklahoma, 405 window tint in Norman, shout out to them. They were quick. It took like an hour. And they got me in. As soon as I got there, got me out. Did an amazing job. I have no complaints. Shout out to them. We also did a little other upgrade on the Challenger on the way back. I have a little surprise when we get back to the house, so I'll see y'all there. Alright, now I can give y'all a look at what it looks like. We got the windshield strip up here. We got window tint from the side view, the back, and it is dark. I love it. It's like a brand new car. Should have done this a long time ago. But now for the surprise upgrade. Yes, we finally got the exhaust done. We're running true straight pipes now. No resonators, no mufflers. Just straight from the cat back. Sounds so much better, so much louder, so much meaner, just like this muscle car should be. Be sure to like and subscribe for more videos. We're going to do so much more to this car. Be sure to tune into the next video where we do have more stuff coming, but we already have a bunch already here, and we're going to be putting it on. A lot more upgrades coming. So be sure to like, subscribe, hit the bell so you don't miss any of the videos. And until next time, I'm out.